Sometimes you see a set of plans and you go, I know how I could build this, and we get so amped up about it that I think we end up getting jobs just because we're so excited. We know how we want to do it and we've got ideas. Our projects last 6 months to a year. It's not just like a window, it's generally something big, like it's a full project, and watching it go through here and it just flies through now and go to site, seeing a finished product, it's really cool to see that. We weren't originally fabricators. We started installing, we moved up to procuring windows from other manufacturers. We would draw windows and send them to different suppliers, and when a job would land, we were in control of the design. And then eventually we just bit the bullet and just thought we'll manufacture ourselves. That's where we met Capral. That was actually Sanjeev, my same rep since I started. We do house lots of Urban Plus, which is your revealed windows. We do the commercial windows revealed for architectural homes. We do them unrevealed. We do them all the way up to 250 mil deep flush line sections. We're doing curtain walls. We're doing all sorts of different extrusions and suites. It's all Capral for all different types of projects, from office buildings that are 10 stories tall to house lots. The most enjoyable projects for me are ones that we get input into the design and people care about the project. They've got a goal, they require some design still and an aid in design. A lot of time people engage facade consultants, and a lot of feedback we get from clients is that they're not getting what they thought they'll get from a facade consultant, but then we're able to provide them a service. So in our drafting and just through our knowledge, we know how to tell them how to set up their concrete, how to set up their band beams and their walls and what they need to do. One of our clients is quite diverse in what they do, so it means we've got to be pretty diverse in what we do. So I don't think we've done 2 jobs the same in a row, really, so we're always pivoting, and I don't think we've ever fabricated a job the same. There's a few guys out there that have been with us for the whole time we've been manufacturing, and they just know everything back to front. They know how we want things done. They know how it should be done better than us. Logical is a really powerful software for us. I would never have heard of it if it wasn't for Capral. As it's developed, we've developed with it, so we've been using it for 8 years. If you draw a window for estimating and it's approved, we can just click a button and it goes to the saw, prints a barcode. All the machining's done straight off barcode, so the guys don't have to think about all the little holes. They just have to focus on doing more important things like putting them together and making sure that they're ready for the deliveries and the site guys are supplied. We've only ever fabricated with Capral. Everything that you could possibly need to do, they've got a solution. So it's just been easy. It's a one-stop shop for us. It's not just the spans and the structural performance, it's the thermal performance. So they're constantly developing their thermally broken range so we can meet those performance values that are just getting harder and harder to reach. Capral provide access to the actual technical department, who are the people designing the windows. We appreciate that they're asking us, so we work together on designs. Like, they'll approach us or we'll approach them, and the fact that we get to deal with those technical people is because I think we're trusted by Capral. We've backed them and they back us. They've got testing for everything, which is a big one. Like, a lot of people import stuff and you've got to do custom testing, and it's just a lot of the headache is solved by using Capral, and they're Australian, like actually Australian. When you go to Campbellfield, you'll see all the billets of aluminium that they're going to push to a press, like right in front of you. And the people that are in there employed, they've been there for a long time. And there's people that come from all over the world to work on those dies. It's pretty important to us that that sort of industry exists. The first really challenging project I think we did was Next DC out in Tullamarine. The engineering behind that was pretty intense, and Rockaby was a really nice one. It's really simple when you look at it from the outside, but there was a lot that went into it for a simple looking rectangle. So I like those projects where everybody's buying in. Our team just know everything back to front, and seeing a finished product is just really cool.